Hello again. Hey, hi there guys. I'm Kerry from Awake Alive Empowerment. Today I was checking my air pressure because back in the tire business, which I used to do for about 35 years, what happens is every month you lose about 2 pounds of air in your tires. No matter what, you don't have to have a nail, it doesn't have to be any kind of a leak, you just naturally lose your air pressure. So what goes on in life, that's what I do now is personal development work, is that we get hurts and pains in our own life, our air pressure goes down. So this is a chance for me to talk to you men and say, you know what, only 3% of men do personal development work, which is sad. That means a lot of us are running around pretty deflated. Our air pressure is down. This is your chance to do it differently and get into a men's group coming up next week. I've got them all coming up here, and this is a time to sign up, get past what's holding you back, and make it happen where you get your tires pumped up. So I hope to see you guys. Catch you later. Bye for now.